confident and being attractive is not all about the me. Look at me. Talk only about your accomplishments. Talk only about your success. True confidence. Do you want to look, feel, and be more confident and attractive? Here are 6 simple steps to instantly make you appear more attractive. Tip 1. Smile more often. A genuine smile not only makes you appear friendly and approachable, but it also boosts your overall mood and attractiveness. Tip number 2. Dress for success. Putting effort into your appearance shows self-respect and confidence. Wear clothes that flatter your body shape and style, and don't forget to accessorize. When we're talking dress for success, it doesn't mean that you have to go out and buy an expensive suit or be in a blazer all the time. It just means putting a little more thought and effort into your getting ready routine. A popular trend going around these days is to go out in your pajamas or really baggy, oversized clothes and sweatpants. Don't get me wrong, there is a time and place for that, and everybody should own some oversized, comfy clothes. But an easy way to look more attractive is just to be a little more thoughtful about your clothing choices for the situation and environment that you're going into. Tip number 3, maintain good posture. Standing up straight makes you look taller and more confident, and it improves your overall physical presence. In addition, it's just better for your back, your spine, your muscles to maintain good, healthy posture that also comes off as confidence. This is true when we're sitting at our desks as well. Try not to be hunched over. Instead, shoulders back, head held high. Tip number 4, take care of your skin and hair. Healthy skin and maintained hair can make a world of difference in your appearance. Develop a skincare routine that works for you. It can be as simple as just an SPF moisturizer or something a little more intensive involving serums and different eye creams. Really, it's whatever works for you. When your skin is moisturized and supple, it's going to instantly appear more attractive versus if your skin was dry, flaky, and ashy. For your hair, you want to maintain it well groomed. And by this I mean taking an extra second to smooth down your hair versus just throwing it up into a pile on top of your head. Like I said, when you're at home, you want to be comfortable. Messy buns are okay. But if you want to look more confident, you want to look more put together, and you want to look more attractive while out and about in the world, take a couple of extra seconds to make sure that your hairstyle looks polished and neat. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, but a little bit of hair oil will go a long way. Tip number 5, pay attention to your body language. Your gestures and movements say so much about your confidence. You want to maintain eye contact, use open and relaxed body postures, and implement active listening. Everyone always talks about maintaining strong, good eye contact or looking someone directly in the eye when you speak to them. But often overlooked is the fact that you have to be a good active listener. It's courteous, and I promise you, after someone has said their piece, if you follow up with a question or a comment about what they were saying and show that you were actively listening, they will be very impressed. People remember when they feel heard. Being confident and being attractive is not all about the me. Look at me. Talk only about your accomplishments. Talk only about your success. True confidence is just knowing that you shine no matter what. You know what you're giving off to the world, and you're open to letting other people shine as well. Ask them questions, get their opinion on things. Being a self-secure, active listener is so attractive. Tip number 6, develop a positive mindset. Confidence starts from within, so work on building up your self-esteem and embracing your own unique qualities. Remember, when you believe in yourself, others will too. Developing a positive mindset and having confidence with oneself is a lifelong commitment. As you continue to grow and change and experience different situations, life and work experiences, you'll continue to do things for the first time and be in situations that may be unfamiliar to you. Make a lifelong commitment to always strive to have a positive mindset, and make a lifelong commitment to never stop working on yourself as a person. Again, remember, when you believe in yourself, others will too. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you found these tips helpful. I'm Dr. Clarissa Shaw. I'm a dentist living in Southern California, and I would love it if you would please subscribe to my Women's Lifestyle channel.